First question, increasing order of electron affinity value among the elements carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. This question had asked in 2017 July in Kerala set examination. Here, before solving this question, we should know what is electron affinity, right? Electron affinity means energy released when an electron is added to outermost orbit of an isolated neutral gaseous atom. Generally, we can say electron affinity increases across the periodic table and sometimes decreases down the periodic table. Therefore, here the correct order that here this period. Therefore, here the correct order that is carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Here electronic configuration of the carbon that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Then here electronic configuration of the nitrogen that is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. Therefore here in the case of electronic configuration of nitrogen, 2p orbital that is half filled and stable. Therefore here the carbon that is greater than nitrogen. As we all know, generally electron affinity increases across the periodic table. Therefore here I am going to write greater sign. Here also I am going to write a greater sign. Therefore here answer is E. This is quite easy to understand. The magnetic moment of FeH2O6 plus and FeCN6 are respectively. This question is quite easy. The first I am going to consider FeH2O6 plus. Here FeH2O6 plus, H2O is weak ligand. Therefore here you can draw the high spin complex. Here the total number of unpaired electron, 4 unpaired electrons are here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore here magnetic moment will be equal to 4.9. You can substitute in this formula. That formula is root of n into n plus 2. If you substitute 4 in this equation, you will get 4.9. The next is FeCN6 3 minus. Here Cn minus ion is a strong field ligand. It produces low spin complex. Therefore here in Eg orbital 2 T2G3 FeCN6 strong field ligand. Therefore here low spin complex you have to consider 1, 2, 3, 4th electron we can draw here. This is the 5th electron. Here number of unpaired electron, D5 configuration, unpaired electron that is 1. Therefore here magnetic moment that will be 1.73. 1.73. Therefore C is the answer. Next question, number of metal-metal bond and bridging CO ligand in dicobalt octacarbonyl. Therefore here first we have to calculate the metal-metal bond. Here metal-metal bond, for calculating with the metal-metal bond one formula is there. That formula is 18 into n minus total valence electron divided by 2. Therefore here 18 into number of cobalt that is 2 minus total valence electron 9 into 2 number of cobalt that is 2 plus carbonyl 2 into 8 divided by 2. Here 36 minus 34 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 that is 1. Therefore number of metal-metal bond that is 1. Number of bridging ligand here 2. 2 bridging ligands are here. Therefore here bridging ligand 2. Metal metal bond 1. Therefore here according to this answer A is correct. Next question. Among the first transition series, which metals show maximum number of oxidation state? Therefore here we have to consider 3D series. 3D series, the first element, that is scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. Therefore here in the case of manganese, Mn, the atomic number, that is 25, and the electronic configuration, that is argon 3d5 4s2. Therefore here manganese has the highest oxidation state because the number of unpaired electrode in the outermost shell is more. Therefore here according to this series, the maximum oxidation state for manganese, that is plus 7. Here if we consider all the transition metal, the highest oxidation state is 8 and the element which show plus 8 oxidation state are ruthenium and osmium. This is 3D series. Now here below the Mn I am going to write ruthenium, Ru. In 4D series, ruthenium shows maximum oxidation state, that is plus 8. If we consider all the transition metal, highest oxidation state, that is plus 8. In the case of osmium also, oxidation state is plus 8. Osmium, here we can say 5D. This is 3D. This is 4D. This is 5D series. Therefore here answer B or D. Therefore here in this case manganese, the maximum oxidation state, that is plus 7. Here chromium, the maximum oxidation state, that is plus 6. But here in this case Mn, maximum oxidation state, that is plus 7, and cobalt, the maximum oxidation state is plus 5. Therefore this is the answer B.